This is an OpenLM tutorial. This video will demonstrate installation of the OpenLM Server and Broker components, and some basic configuration to get your OpenLM system monitoring your Windows or Unix-based license servers. First, you need to download the OpenLM Server from the OpenLM website in the Downloads section. Click the On-Premises installation link. Here you have the OpenLM Server, OpenLM Broker for Windows and Unix, OpenLM Agent and Router download links. In most cases, the OpenLM Server is the only essential installation for basic license usage monitoring. It needs to be installed on a stable Windows machine with decent network connectivity to your license servers. After installing the OpenLM Server, open the OpenLM Server configuration tool from your Windows Start menu. Click the Add button and type in the hostname and port number in your license server. In this case, I am monitoring a FlexLM license manager located in the Pacific time zone. Click the Check button to see the license query results. It works. Now add a descriptive name for your license server, like server name Autodesk, and click Apply and Restart Now. That's it. OpenLM can now monitor this license server and report license usage on your web browser with the Easy Admin application. In order to present Easy Admin on a machine other than the one hosting the OpenLM server, simply replace the local host in the URL line with your OpenLM server machine's IP. As I have mentioned, the OpenLM server is usually sufficient for basic license usage monitoring. Now let's discuss the optional OpenLM Broker configuration. The broker needs to be installed on the license server machine. It provides multiple benefits such as procurement and packaging information, enhanced reporting, license allocation capabilities, management capabilities, and improved system robustness. It is implemented in Java and therefore applicable to license servers running on both Windows and Unix or Linux-based machines. If I expand this plus sign, I'll see a No Broker notification. That's because I have not yet set an OpenLM Broker to report to the newly installed OpenLM server. Installation of the broker is straightforward. Simply launch the installation file you previously downloaded. Now we'll see the installation of an OpenLM Broker on our home office license server machine. When running on Windows, the broker will automatically detect license management services running on the local machine. In this case, the license server hostname is Win10b, and the Autodesk port is 500, just as I have configured on the OpenLM server side. I can now select port 500 and execute a license data inquiry command to check the license inventory and concurrent usage. It works. I will now add the OpenLM server machine and check connectivity. Note that a communication port should be left open for outgoing communication with the OpenLM server. By default, this port number is 7016. Click Apply and restart the broker service. The broker is now configured to query license usage locally and propagate this information to the OpenLM server. I can now clear the OpenLM server remotely queries checkbox, as the data will be coming in solely from the broker. On Easy Admin, I can now see the broker has been identified, and I can even import relevant files to the local machine. I'll now launch an AutoCAD 2013 application. Refresh the license servers window and can check the usage hyperlink to examine concurrent license usage information. That's it! On this video, we have examined the OpenLM Server and Broker installation and basic configuration procedures. I hope you have found it helpful. For further information, please turn to the application notes and videos on our website or address our support team. Thanks for watching.